Hello, I'm Asher, and I've been dealing with some bug for like 3 days. And well, I want to leave this resolution to that bug because it was really a painful and really stupid bug. But I didn't find any solution anywhere, so I will give you the solution here. The problem is the next. If I hold the shift, my character runs. But you also, with Shift and Tab, you open the Steam overlay, and that will cause that my character get this key, the Shift button, get stuck. And I didn't find a way to solve this problem. I don't know. This is really stupid, but I couldn't find a solution. But then I find a solution. It's a really basic solution. I'll give it right now. So that's the problem, and this is my solution. Okay, this is the solution. I'm using FaceSponge library for connecting to Steam. So I'm registering to this event, which when the player open the overlay, it will call this function, and then just reset whatever key or whatever keyboard. So that's it. I hope you save you some time and so yeah.